guys, today I'm gonna show you this energy king massager, and it's only $68. Reduce the muscle ache, speed up the fat burning, promote the blood circulation, build up the immunity function, and this. Come on, guys, let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, yeah, it's under. Look here, guys. Is this upside down? Ah! It's upside down. Let's get it. Oh. Start opening. Woo! Put it out. And it's an infrared everything massager. Yeah. And take this all out. And this is it. See? You can put infrared massager power. Yes. And it's hard medium. Let's plug it.
Let's show it. See, this is the switch,
Where?
and this. If you push it down, it's low power. And if you push it up, it increases
Powers.
the power.
Don't put it on your head, okay?
Why?
Because this has electricity. You need to plug it.
Yeah,
There's no batteries included.
it's not meant for your head. Just the back. And for the back,
If you
arms. You can take the arms. Yeah, that too. And of course, you can use it for your that. But first,
Let's
needs to get plugged.
take this out.
You need to plug it in.
Yes.
And it comes with a chart. You can see here it says full body reflexology chart.
You have put your migraine headache. Oh, here comes your body and your hand and foot. Yes. Yes. Oh, come on, let's do it now.
Wait, let's show this first. See, those are the different pressure points that you can use. So if you have a headache, that's for
No, I mean I have a foot ache, but this really hurts because I hurt from a car.
what happened.
When I was going in the car and I hurt my foot when I was going in.
So these are the pressure points for the hands and
So,
feet.
I can't put this
So if you're
massager here because I already have a bump here. See that violet? See it? I can put that there.
all right.
Come on, let's plug it. It's a long plug in here. Hey! It's like Avatar.
All right. So let's get to it. So let's plug it in. Don't switch it on first, huh?
Okay.
Just a minute.
Hey. Hello.
All right. So it's plugged in.
Where should I?
It's plugged in. So you see that green light.
Yes.
So if I push down, see, I'm gonna push down. It will start to there. It lights up, and this is the infrared part. And this, see, it's vibrating.
Put it on my back.
Okay, and you put it where you need to massage. How's that feel?
It's a little bit good. Why I have double? Why
So
What?
if I increase the speed,
What?
all I have to do, if I want to increase the speed, all I have to do is push up.
Is that hard?
Nice, low speed. I'm gonna push up now.
Why? I can see wiggle earth.
Everything's wiggling.
What?
Everything's wiggling.
Yeah. Even the door is wiggling.
I'm gonna increase the speed.
Sure.
Push up. Up. There.
Uh,
It's faster.
uh,
Faster.
ah, ah, why? Ah. Ow, 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 ow.
Oops. Sorry, that slipped.
Don't put on my arm again.
Why?
You already hurt. Ow!
It's too much.
Oh, I know, because of the electric. That's why you don't put it here.
Okay, let's try the infrared. See this part. Is it hot? How warm does it feel? No, the red part with the lights. Yeah,
It's not even.
it's not warm.
Yeah, it must be on my back just.
Okay, let's try it. Now trying the infrared. Does it feel warm?
Yeah. Ah! You got my tapers right here. Ah! Don't. It really tickle. Ah! 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 Ah!
So do you feel relaxed?
Yeah. Ah! It's like we're in the spa.
Yeah, it's just like in a spa, kids spa.
Ah!
How about you, Bear? You like massage?
Yes.
Let's massage the bear.
Yeah. How about tummy? Hey, tummy.
So you can also use it on your feet. That feels good.
Yeah.
But the other foot.
Relaxing in the movie. Ow. That.
So,
Put it on my tummy.
not your tummy. Not your tummy.
It's okay if it's on the tummy.
It's your time for the times. Oh,
It tickles.
in your hand. It's off. Yeah, they're fast. That's the fast. Hand. Yeah.
If you want to buy this, go to the shop wise.
They can buy this on TV.
Yeah.
Or they can just go to the link below the video
Yeah.
and purchase the product. So what's it called? What it was? What's the name of this thing again?
What is it again?
And
Oh yeah.
where's the box?
Here it is.
You threw the box away.
Energy kill massager.
Get the box.
Wait. Here's the box.
So let's see. It's the Energy King massager. It's the infrared massager by Energy King. So it just reduces muscle aches and speeds up fat burning, promotes blood circulation, and builds up immunity.
If you want to see my hamster, I have a hamster.
But that's for another video. So this is the Energy King massager. See, It's just like holding a lightsaber.
It's like shaking lightsaber. Here, give me it. 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 I need a Barbie.
Alright.
I want to massage you.
Oh, no, never mind. Maybe later. Okay, so what now?
Okay, bye guys. Subscribe this video and like and share. If you
Sure.
want to buy this supplies or product and
Just go to the link below the video.
yeah.
You can check it out there.
Oh, well, bye guys.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Just buy me. Buy me. Buy me.
No, bye you, mister. Okay, that's my hamster. Is it a girl or a boy? Is it a baby or a kid or a grown up?
Now that's for later.
Yeah.
Here. Take it.